Looking for the best computer repair service in Ennice, North Carolina? You're in the right place. At BPS Tech Assist, we help homeowners, small businesses, churches, and remote workers solve everyday technology problems. Is your computer running slow? Having trouble with Wi-Fi? Need help removing a virus? Setting up a new computer? We've got you covered. We believe technology should be simple, reliable, and stress-free. That's why we take the time to understand the problem and recommend the solution that's right for you. No confusing technical jargon, no unnecessary repairs. Just honest service you can trust. Whether you need computer repair, remote support, network troubleshooting, or help with your home office, BPS Tech Assist is here to help. If you're looking for dependable computer repair in Ennice, North Carolina, visit bpstechassist.com or give us a call today. We look forward to helping you get back up and running.